Hi guys, today we will know how to add a digital signature as your document. A digital signature is a type of security that we add to our document so that if any person manipulates the document, the signer can easily know that. So, to add a digital certificate, first, we have to open the Certificates tool in the Adobe Acrobat application. Then, on the top you will get the Digitally Sign option. Click on that. Now you have to draw a block on your document where you want to put your digital certificate. Once you draw that, a dialog box will automatically pop up to Configure Digital ID. After that, click on Create New Digital ID and select the location to save your digital certificate. I am selecting my system's local memory here. After selecting a location to save your certificate, you have to fill out some information, like name, organization name, email, etc., and click on Continue. You do not need to change the key algorithm, and use Digital ID for options. Please note this is the important part. You have to create a password to add your certificate to your documents. Without this password, neither you will put your certificate on documents, nor you will import or export this in the new system. So, create a secured password and save that somewhere safe. After creating the password, click on Save. Now your digital ID is configured. Now to add your certificate to the document, click on the block you created before and select your certificate, put in your password, and click on the sign. You can choose whether you want your document locked after signing or not by clicking on the Lock Document After Signing checkbox while putting in the password. It is time to select the location to save your signed document. On the screen, you can see what a digital certificate will look like. When you right-click on the document page and select Document Properties, you can see the security and restrictions on the document. If you like the video, please leave thumbs up and subscribe to get more similar content. See you soon with a new video.